Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a Dakota Brown metallic. Underneath there is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Silk beige MB-Tex interior with a panorama sunroof. Trailer hitch, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seats, cargo cover. This one does come with the Premium 2 package with an active blind spot assist, lane keep assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, a dark linden wood trim, power windows, an LED logo which appears when you open the door, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, navigation with voice command, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, touchpad and wheel for infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 32,881 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.